Get out of here. Go. Why Sissy does this.
My name is Taylor Clark, and I will be singing Fall Asleep by Me.
You ready?
I think so. You want me to say my name for this one too?
Sure. Say your name and what's.
Are you recording now?
Yes.
Okay, I'll give it like 2 seconds. I'll start. My name is Taylor Clark, and I will be singing Rain by Me.